on making a declaration on his own of such foreign currency funds, especially in this case, where the Constitution mandates the depositor, who is a public officer, to declare under the
Anong ginagawa mo
Constitution
dyan?
itself
Anong ginagawa ni KK?
owned by him or his family under oath. Some have raised the question, why should the Chief Justice be held accountable for an offense which many but most others in government are guilty of?
Halika rito, dali.
Perhaps
Halika
even
na.
more guilty
Tayo ka dyan. Tayo.
than he is.
Bilis na, tayo ka dyan.
They
Tayo.
say that hardly anyone declares
Go, kaya mo
his
yan.
true net worth anyway.